What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to create a profile on Agoda traveling website, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to create an account on Agoda. So we are on PC, so what you need to do is go to the upper right corner where it says create account. So we'll wait for it to load. As you can see, here we are having signing up options as first name, last name, email, password, and password confirmation. So I'm gonna just easily fill this up and we're gonna jump back to the video. So give me just a moment. So guys, I filled in all of the spaces. So basically, the account creation is you basically fill that form and you're gonna have a button which is click to verify. And after you clicked on it, you're gonna have like a small piece of puzzle to drag into the right space. So it was mine basically confirmation, so it will probably be for you also. So also you're having like a name, last name, email, and a password, and just that basically that verification which I had to drag a puzzle in the missing place. So overall, that's it, how you create an Agoda account. Overall, quite an easy process. We're gonna do loads and loads tutorials on Agoda, so make sure to check them out if you're having any issues with this platform. So guys, as I said, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another tutorial video. So as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.